Don't be conformed to the way this world thinks, with all its fear, greed, offense, and self-centeredness. If someone hurts you, you may have the right to be offended, but you need to count the costs. Studies are telling us that many illnesses seem to stem from a constant focus on the negative. These thoughts keep you out of God's peace and cause imbalances in your body that have the potential to make you sick. For example, if you're often anxious or worried, Philippians 4 holds the answer. Verse 4 says to rejoice in the Lord always, and verses 6 and 7 say to present your requests to God with thanksgiving. Instead of focusing on your worries, verse 8 tells you what to focus on. Whatever is true, noble, right, pure, lovely, admirable, excellent, and praiseworthy. Take care of yourself spiritually by feeding yourself God's word, spending time in worship and in fellowship with other believers. Take care of yourself physically, since physical health issues and poor digestion can have a great influence on your thoughts and your emotions. And take care of yourself mentally by choosing to focus on good things. This is one biblical recipe for living a life of healthy thoughts and emotions.